Welcome to the first lesson in Chapter 7, Energy, Forms and Changes. So in this lesson will be a short one. We'll just introduce you to what is energy and how we kind of use energy in our day-to-day life. In class, I'll show you an entire video. It's about 10 minutes long. It talks about energy and its forms. The nature of energy. You can hear energy as sound. The sound that you hear me making come out of my mouth right now is energy. You can see energy as light. The light that's either coming from your computer screen, your technology screen, light that's causing you to be able to see anything and everything that you're doing right now. You can feel energy. So not only can we hear it and can we see it, we can also feel the result of energy. You can feel it as wind. Those three ways will be in your little clicker quiz at the end of this lesson. The nature of energy. You use energy in several different ways. You can use energy when you hit a softball. You use energy to contract your muscles to hold on to that bat. You use energy in order to lift your book bag or your backpack. You use energy when you move things around. You use energy when you compress a spring. Living things like you and me, living organisms, need energy for growth and movement. Energy is involved in several different ways. Yes, energy is involved when a bird flies, when a bomb explodes, when rain falls from the sky. And energy, of course, is involved when electricity flows from the wire, the movement of those electrons. What is energy? That it can be involved in so many different activities. Let's go ahead and figure that out. Energy can be defined as the ability to do work. Now, that is the definition, ladies and gentlemen, and you'll need to make sure you have that written down someplace, is the ability to do work. That's very important. If an object or organism does work, this is what it does. It exerts a force. We talked about force in Newton's laws over a distance to move an object. The object or organism is using energy. Okay? So, you'll need to know that energy can be defined as the ability to do work. And organisms, we use it to do work applying a force over a distance. In physics, the word work has a specific meaning. You need to know this. Work is the transfer of energy that results from applying a force over a distance, as I alluded to in the previous slide. Once again, you need to know that work is the transfer of energy applying a force over a distance. Remember, a force is in newtons, and distances can be in meters, centimeters, kilometers, things like that. So work is very specific when we're talking about physics. Last slide before the first little quiz for this first lesson. Because there is a direct connection, yes, ladies and gentlemen, there is a direct connection There's a direct connection between energy and work. It's measured in joules. You need to know that energy is measured in joules. In addition to using energy to do work, objects gain energy because work is done on them. Remember, work is moving something, is applying a force. Applying a force over a distance, applying a force over a distance. And you can go ahead and hit stop now, and you'll be able to use, refer to this as many times as necessary. Please go ahead and take the first lesson of Chapter 7 clicker quiz, or the quiz that we have for this particular lesson. Thank you so much. Have a good day.